Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take the line essay on nature is the best teacher. The line essay on nature is the best teacher. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. Point number 1 is nature teaches us. Nature teaches us the importance of patience and resilience. The importance of patience and resilience. Through its ever-changing seasons. Through its ever-changing seasons and cycles. Ever-changing seasons and cycles. Nature teaches us the importance of patience and resilience through its ever-changing seasons and cycles. Point number 2. It shows us the beauty of simplicity. It shows us the beauty of simplicity. The beauty of simplicity and the power of adaptation. The power of adaptation. It shows us the beauty of simplicity and the power of adaptation. Point number 3. It shows us the beauty of simplicity and the power of adaptation. Point number 3. Nature demonstrates the importance of balance. The importance of balance and harmony in all living things. Nature demonstrates the importance of balance and harmony in all living things. Point number 4. It teaches us to appreciate the small wonders and miracles that surround us every day. And miracles that surround us every day. It teaches us to appreciate the small wonders and miracles that surround us every day. Point number 5. Nature reminds us of the interconnectedness interconnectedness of all living beings, of all living beings, and the importance of coexistence. Nature reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living beings and the importance of coexistence. Point number 6. It shows us the importance of conservation. It shows us the importance of conservation. The importance of conservation and sustainability. And sustainability for the future of our planet. It shows us the importance of conservation and sustainability for the future of our planet. Point number 7. Nature teaches us to embrace a change. To embrace a change and find the beauty in imperfection. Find beauty in imperfection. Nature teaches us to embrace a change and find the beauty in imperfection. Point number 8. It inspires creativity and innovation. It inspires creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation through its endless forms and patterns. Through its endless forms and patterns. It inspires creativity and innovation through its endless forms and patterns. Point number 9. Nature teaches us to be present and mindful. To be present and mindful. As it constantly reminds us, as it constantly reminds us of the fleeting nature of life, of the fleeting nature of life. Nature teaches us to be present and mindful, as it constantly reminds us of the fleeting nature of life. Point number 10. Ultimately, nature is the best teacher. Nature is the best teacher. Because it offers us because it offers us endless opportunities. Endless opportunities for learning, growth, and self-discovery. Ultimately, nature is the best teacher because it offers us endless opportunities for learning, growth, and self discovery. So, this was today's essay on nature is the best teacher. See you next time. Goodbye.